Do tell us how are you really looking at Reliance Industries? It went sub below 1300 as well, and it's now right now up with the choppiness coming to shape. Bonus split has taken place. For all those who took the benefit of bonus, how are you advising now? For those who did not, how are you advising now on Reliance Industries?
Yeah, certainly. It's a phenomenal stock, definitely no doubt about it. It's unfortunately, it created a lot of wealth even for foreign investors. And when they were taking the money, obviously, Reliance could have been one of the sources for them to sell and take away dollar from the market. Perhaps that is the reason the stock has corrected close to 20% from the peak. But I consider this as a great opportunity. As you rightly said, it's emerging as an economy, and it's getting into almost every big segment of the economy. And second, the smartest strategy is that once upon a time, 100% of the revenue profits were from oil and gas related sector, and even today there is a government intervention. Of course, that is for a right cause. It is not completely left to the market forces, oil and gas sector. So that is where the second success came from Reliance. Reduce the dependence on oil and gas sector. Now, almost the share of profit from oil and gas sector, including chemical, is less than 50% of the total profits. So obviously, this ratio, as the share keeps going down, the re-rating would happen. And third, they have proven their ability in Jio Mobile and then Jio Retail. I am sure they will prove that their capabilities in green energy, financial services, that is Reliance Financial, they are getting into almost every segment of the economy. So the management itself said that they believe in doubling the value. I believe in 2 3 years, not in 2 years, at least in 3 years, it should double the value from current level. So every fall, I suggest one should use that as a great opportunity to accumulate Reliance Industry. I would suggest even the Geo Finance. I believe what they have achieved in digital and retail business, they will be able to achieve in the financial service sector as well. And it is trading only at around 1.6, 1.7 times price to book value. And not only that, the investors are getting opportunity to join, the Reliance Geo before the business is built. So once a business is built successfully, you are not going to get it cheap. It can be anywhere around the 3 to 4 times price to book value. So therefore, I believe this is a great opportunity to buy Geo when company just started evolving into a big conglomerate within the financial service sector.
And Mr. Chokkalingam, Jio IPO they're talking about in 2025 now. Those reports are coming in as well. Do you think that will be the biggest trigger now for Reliance Industries to take flight? And for all those looking to take benefit, this is the right time to start accumulating the stock then?
Yeah, certainly. We have to see what kind of IPO, whether whether they follow Zero Finance model or diluting directly only the equity. Whichever way, either directly or indirectly, it will be beneficial to Reliance Industry. I saw the valuation of over $100 billion or around over 8 lakh rupee crore. I think that's a phenomenal. A couple of lakh crore, definitely they would be able to unlock in cash form by opting for a public issue, and that should strengthen the balance sheet of Reliance, and that should act as a input for what I was visualizing as a big economy in itself. So for that, this money would come very handy. So that will trigger a second level of growth for Reliance Industry. So therefore, one should use this opportunity of it's around 18% correction in the stock for making long-term investment. That's my strong research view on Reliance.